सत श्री अकाल, आदाब, नमस्कार। मैं मुस्कान शर्मा अपनी सहयोगी जशनप्रीत कौर के साथ आपका स्वागत करती हूं आज के इस खास शो में। आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज़ के हेड डॉक्टर कमलप्रीत कौर मैम। इनसे हम बातचीत करेंगे एक खास मुद्दे पे जो कि होने जा रही है, एक इवेंट के बारे में जो कि ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहा है स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज़ की तरफ से।
Hello, ma'am. How it came to your mind to organize this wonderful event?
Hello. First of all, I would like to thank you all for inviting me for this interview. See, being into management studies and being the students of management, so for our students, it is actually a very important task to have such kind of skills and such kind of innovative ideas within them, so that they can showcase their, you can say, energy and showcase their talent. And if we think about that, how it came into my mind. Some of the students, they came to me that they want to organize such kind of fest where the students from all over India, or we can say all over the northern side, they can be called for to compete, at least to know that what kind of you can say capability they are having to make them more skillful and more creative. So this is how we just stepped into this whole fest, and we started organize, and we started all the things that are necessary for this event. So this is how it came into our mind.
Okay.
सबसे पहले हमें पता चला कि आपके स्कूल में स्टूडेंट्स क्लब्स भी हैं, तो उनकी तरफ से आपको इस इवेंट के लिए कैसा सपोर्ट मिल रहा है?
जैसे मैंने अभी कहा कि some of the students they came to us, whatever idea we are having, जो भी इसमें हमने plan out किया है, the students who are into the student clubs, they actually supported us. Actually they are handling all the responsibilities. If we call ki they have to call or they have to visit other colleges, they have visited many of the colleges nearby. So स्टूडेंट क्लब्स के स्टूडेंट्स का ही पूरा सपोर्ट है इसमें. अगर मैं कहूँ कि हमने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है या स्टाफ ने किया है या फैकल्टी ने किया है, नो, दैट इज़ बीइंग टोटली हैंडल्ड एंड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स ओनली. We are just supporting them, that this is how we can guide them to make our fest successful as well.
Like, if I can I say that if you want to give the credit to someone, so you can give the credit to the students except faculty members.
As I have just said, the whole credit goes to the students. If it is going to be a success, that is only because of the students. We as faculty, I as the head of the department, we are only there to support them, because as we know, the students, they are very enthusiastic, but there needs some kind of direction that is to be given to them. So that kind of direction or that kind of guidance, that we are providing them. The whole thing, the whole credit, it only goes to the students.
इंटर कॉलेज लेवल पे एक कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज करना एक बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टास्क है, नॉट एन इजी टास्क. सो आपको भी काफ़ी चैलेंजेस का सामना करना पड़ा होगा, तो क्या आप बताएंगे कि आपको क्या क्या फेस करना पड़ा?
See, the first thing is that how we need to initiate for any kind of event that we are going to organize. That kind of initiation and that kind of planning, it itself is not easy. कि कहाँ से शुरुआत करनी है, किस किस जगह अप्रोच करना है. The main problems that we faced, that because of this Diwali break, our students, they couldn't visit to many of the colleges. That was the main difficulty that we have faced. And whosoever had any kind of contacts among, if we talk about the faculty, if they are having any of the contacts, the students, if they are having any kind of contacts to other colleges, they started approaching to them while physically visiting them or by the way of calls or emails. So we tried each and every platform to reach to our target, that is the students of the participants of other colleges. So this was the main difficulty, that how we need to initiate with the program, that is the event, and how we need to get the participation from other colleges. That is the most difficult task, and that difficult task, it actually became very difficult because of those 5 days that went into Diwali break. So that was the most difficult time.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. It's accomplished from my side, and I wish you very all the best for your tomorrow's event. And we will see you on the tomorrow's event. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.